Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a baseplate in Roblox. First of all, open Roblox Studio on your PC. To add a baseplate, go to home screen at the top of the screen. There you'll find the baseplate template, click on it and your baseplate will be ready. You'll instantly have a flat baseplate in your workspace. This baseplate will serve as the foundation for your Roblox creations. Now, once your baseplate is added, you can begin designing your environment. You can adjust its size by scaling it up or down depending on your needs. If you want to customize the texture or color, simply select the baseplate and in the properties window, you will find various options to modify it. To add more, you can simply copy and paste. And that's it. Now you know how to add baseplate in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.